started going. She was the one that stopped me. Do we discuss anything last night again? I said no. That when she left, you left, and then he left. So both of us, we are trying to see if we can talk to boss. But this my oga said that boss said he don't want to talk anything about the issue till today. And I said, okay, good and fine. That is what we discussed. That if you calm down, the whole situation will calm down. By the time when we see each other today, then we'll have the meeting, then we'll discuss. Then that's what we are discussing. Then when I now go inside the room, I just like that. Somebody, she knocked on the door. Then I stood up immediately and said, is there any problem? What happened? Then I think she came to pick up the painter, that small bucket I don't know, there's a small bucket on the toilet and the bathroom. Mm-hmm. So, and I asked her what happened. She now told me there is a camera on the back. So she was telling me there is a camera, but I don't know where they place the camera. Then I was searching for this camera till I now saw the camera. Then I come and I asked her, why this camera? Is there any problem? She said no, she doesn't know. Then when I came, and I pretended, I wanted to know where is the camera. Because I know nothing was happening here. Then I took the broom and the brush to go and I did that. So, because I was trying to find the camera. Then when I saw the camera, I was thinking that it's a normal video there. But when I saw it was on live video. And I don't want myself to involve myself maybe on the camera whereby in all those kind. I don't want it myself. Sometimes when you want to make a video and put it on your social media, I always tell you, please don't put me on your Facebook. Don't put me on TikTok. Don't put me on Facebook or on social media. Then when I wanted to turn the camera so the camera would stop, even if I want to pass or whatever. Then when I see the things was online, I wanted us to remove it so that remove it from the Facebook. When I saw his place for delete, that I pressed. I know say me, I fuck up for that one. Me personally, I fuck up. But I lie down and beg. I beg. I never come here I be breadwinner of my house. As I talk to you now, my both parents, they get stroke. My mother gets brain tumor. I know how much they spend. If I will just give and proof to you. All those when I come here, I never work for like 3 weeks. Everything just they choke for my head. Coming to this place again, they see all those kind of issues adding to the ones I'm passing through, both emotional. I can't lie, plus I get mental issue. I just like if you two of you guys go to work, I will always be indoor. I don't come down. It's only when I wanted to use the toilet. I always stay on the laptop searching for job for you. Only when I come there, it's only when I see that. Sometimes when you come back, you see me sleeping. Or sometimes if I don't feel, I just stay here. Sometimes you guys come back, you see me. We don't discuss, we don't talk. And I don't front her to start discussing with her. She's only the one that always come. As I told you 2 days ago, I don't like putting issues on anything about husband and wife. I hate putting issues. And I even warn her, give me this morning, that please, man, anything about husband and wife, I don't like. I told her this morning that why I'm even involving myself in this thing, just because of humanity. I told her this thing this morning. I don't like involving myself in those last that I was shouting at you when we went up. I was shouting at you. Please stop do anything about them. Don't interject. I told you. I was telling her because of humanity. That is why you see me, and you guys were a role model to me on social media. I don't put. Then coming to the one I blocked, I was just like this. Because I know you when you are talking to somebody, you don't like somebody to. Like I know I'm trying to work with you. I know that if somebody talking to you, one person want to make a step, you always feel offended or maybe you feel disrespected. So I was like this. I think this is just like the way I was standing. And I don't want to shift because I know that you pick offense. Then when your wife was coming, I was just like this. Because if you are talking to me and anything that make me to step and maybe feel uncomfortable, then I now said, there was a space she passed. When you said, I just looked myself, I said, Chairman, there's space here. Then coming to the one when I was cooking spaghetti. She's the one that came there. Chairman was there making a live video. The other lady was here. I was there cooking, Jeje. She came asking about plate. Either she was asking about plate or spaghetti. I not say I think either spaghetti or because she was asking something, but I can't recall. I was uncomfortable because I know the chairman was here. Then I don't want to talk much. Then I give her that fake smile. Then we'll talk about. Then she left. She came inside. She came here and come inside again.
No, you said I heard you said you said she came and gave you smile. You said she came and gave you smile. That you don't have to frown. You have to return the smile. That's
yeah. Because she.
But you said so that she came and gave you smile. That is what you said. I heard you say.
Yeah, she came. You know, like if
fake smile.
No, excuse me. Don't.
Yeah, she came with asked question and a smile. Then I responded because I know that I don't have issue with that. Not that somebody tried to give me because this I will be here now. Then I continued cooking. Then I went back here to stir the stew. The tomato was frying. She came there again. I was uncomfortable. I think she was asking me how do you load Leica. She was asking me how do you load recharge the Leica something. So I was trying to explain it to her.
If she's asking her to load Leica, how will you feel uncomfortable? She just came and asked you for a little help.
No, because the whole energy is very, as in, I begin to, the energy, that energy, because I begin to talk my issue that moment. Because I know that, one, I was not comfortable because Chairman was here discussing about marital issue or marriage when she come there. So I don't want it to seem maybe as if maybe we are talking about, so that's how I was uncomfortable. The way she's trying to ask about how to recharge Leica or whatever, I was trying to explain it to her. Then before boss now asked her, what is she doing there? Because I was just like this back here. Even when I nearly hit the stew because I wanted to give her enough space to pass. And I said, okay, I think you have to use a code because the way my brother was, I was trying to teach, the day we were asking about how to load. Okay. I was trying to tell her, okay, see how you put it. Even when Chairman asked her, she showed Chairman, look at what she was, and this is exactly what happened. Even because of this thing, I'd hardly again feel comfortable to touch the children. The children that sometimes, when I see them crying, I like to pamper them or play with them or stay with them to make them feel like to sleep or, you know. I stopped doing it. Even sometimes I don't like coming down here again. I have to stay indoor.
Why?
Trying to avoid this thing that don't happen. I always try to avoid it. Now, I never tell her whatever, how Europe life be or maybe when you do this. I don't. Only what I'm always after about her is every time she cry, you are here. Yes. Every time she always cry, what I'll ask her, what is your problem? Why is that every time you cry? Do you want to kill yourself? Do you want to die agony? Do you want to die emotionally?
If a woman sees man cry, you want the man to pamper her. That is, we are not a baby.
So,
if a woman sees,
if a woman
sees man cry, you want pampering.
I don't pamper. It's only when you are here.
Yes.
It's only, everything is happening in her presence, not outside. Everything is happening in her presence.
Even me, sometimes I used to comfort her.
You understand me? Sometimes I will tell you, okay, please go and talk to her. Then I will just go upstairs.
Yes.
I always tell her, if I want, when you guys set, I will tell her, please, everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. Be patient. Everything is going to be fine. When the children grow, they are going to make you happy. I always try to give them that spirit, that, energy. Because I know what we are passing through when we are postpartum. Yeah. I know everything. So I was like, to just come in to make sure if there's an energy, So,
my brother, sir, like I said before, I said I thank God, and the second person I will thank is you. When I'm not supposed to put a man in my house, but I did it because I want to catch my wife red-handed of anything. Not be only sex be red-handed. It's not only sex, but something must lead to sex. A woman cannot just come and open for you. There must be a play. You avoid it. She always comes to you as you talk. You try to avoid it. He come with smile. You say you avoid that. You are even afraid to even come downstairs. You want to be there until your wife come back from work. That you try to avoid her. What else? He
No,
will
not
see you.
no, at least
He will
to
see
avoid her, to avoid all those.
the situation
the
now.
situation,
If something
all those
must lead to
things.
something now.
In
If
all
your
those
wife, if
situations.
your wife did not smile with me, I will be afraid to tap your shoulder. I cannot try it. If you don't smile, can I tap your shoulder? Because I don't know how you're gonna react. So there are some signs that can make a man to come closer to you. You are a security person. You said, as a security person that you are, if you are like this in your guide, can somebody want to go, you come and say, hey, can that person do that? But when you say hello, you say hello. Say there is cold, I'm cold. You say, oh, are you cold? You know, something can bring people closer. But when you are like this, good morning. When you say good morning and you are looking at that, can a man come and hug you, stranger?
But
I'm not talking to you.
But
I'm making
but-
I'm making
you
instance.
see my wife.
I'm
Whenever
I am
someone
making
is coming,
instance.
my wife
Uche.
always laugh with everybody.
I'm making
Wait.
instance. Don't tell me you don't know what I'm saying.
Okay.
You said my wife used to give you smile, but you just give her fake smile back because you can't.
I said that day.
Excuse
I didn't say
me. I'm
every
always telling
time.
you, my wife cannot invite you to bed without any formal smile or conversation. If, for instance, you said nothing happened today, but I was watching the video, the time something supposed to happen, it cannot happen. That's when my wife saw the video. According to you, you said she came. I'm not talking to you. You said my wife came and tell you there is video. I even thought, I was thinking, I said it's my wife that saw it, because when my wife off the light, my wife now walk. You said my wife want to pick the rubber she used to put there. No, you cannot pick rubber in darkness. My wife off it first. She now walks straight to this man's room. Then, excuse me, when she now walks straight there, like 5 minutes or so, there was no light. What I saw, the video, if it was there, I will not talk, we pray. They now walk straight there. There was no sound, no talk, nothing. How can my wife walk in the darkness? So, when I didn't hear sound, when my wife came back again, he now off on the light. He now on the light, and I said, it's light. You know, like this, like there is light. You know, when it becomes dark, it's like she's also. And I heard she say it's like there is light. So she now off it again and go and talk to Uche. Uche now makes some sound. I didn't hear what he said, but now makes some sound. My wife went and talked to Uche. Say I hear light. I only hear light. Then before they now come and on the light, when they now on it, so I didn't know who go downstairs first, who comes there. They all went in darkness because I didn't know. I thought they were still inside. So when they were now coming upstairs, and I saw that 2 of them are coming upstairs. According to him, that is when he said my wife come downstairs to tell her, say invite her downstairs. Say there is camera somewhere. He said downstairs. That is when they talk about it. They try to avoid camera since they know to talk. So my wife could not go to the camera according to him to show her, so that her face will not show in the camera that is the one that pointed the camera.
Yes, yes.
So my wife now goes. So he now that did not know exactly where the camera is, now went and bring broom on like and start sweeping around to just check. He will sweep around and will check up to know where the camera is. He now act like he's cleaning the spider cobweb on top of that bag. He now put sponge cover the camera face. Then he was not comfortable. He now come again before he now remove the sponge and now know where the camera is. So listen, my brother. If my wife don't have any ulterior motive, will she be afraid of camera? If there was no wrong movement, according to this young man, I have witnessed it before. This young man avoid, but my wife approached by coming to complain or not. Good, but did you know what my wife have in her brain that she want to do or lure you or want to have a good time by reporting me, by crying so that you start begging her? No, but it's the same my wife you said. He saw the camera. It's the same my wife I saw after I first saw you people that she was parading off light, move here, on light, move there. If she discover camera, she's supposed to be afraid. She now went and tell Uche, there is camera. Why will she go and tell Uche, is anything wrong?
No.
Were you trying to do something wrong?
No.
My brother, I say after I thank God, I thank you. He don't tell when I dey set my wife up. Because when I say let this marriage be over, she refused. I go to court. I go to many places. I go to her family to create my diary. It did not work. I tried to try everything possible that will bring disgrace to her so that we no need to go to court. We don't end this marriage. But me, I know they stay have to I follow up. Then when I did abroad to come spend 3 months, my sister said they noticed something. I I check who Wetin something say my wife say you don't know this one Gabriel when they cook. I say make come teach you how to cook. I will just dey cook those food wey they cook for hotel. I will dey put am for fridge for you. I said, but why you not tell me say somebody dey come, and why you not tell them my sister when dey house? Now make them come, they accuse you wrongly. They say no, he was teaching all of them who ask divine. No, I say yeah, but me when get house for ten say somebody is coming to teach. You never. Then I no fit hold am. Yeah. Then he come accuse them my sister. They come fight. I come drive my sister come off for us all of them from abroad. I say make my boys go throw them out. They throw them out. Then the other one. Then the other one, they say we were looking for room for which person apartment. The people came. Now me they supposed to. My sister said they see people for around though. I can't check camera. I say okay, now agent not fit do something. Agent supposed to do something, but I don't want to give my sister those things to say why you go the accuse. I say na agent, na me this agent. I know. My sister say no one. I say hey. Now agent when they help us, they look for us. Now you they say, I say I can't see them. I say, but you for tell me say agent won't come. So what I'm trying to say, you have make a point. If my wife free, why will go call you say camera there? If she not get anything, when it's okay, as you did when you always dey cry, make I go cry for you for room. After I don't go downstairs, come back, do everything. You don't want her, say me not they beg me again. Then you when you don't want my wife, when you not they beg me again, you don't go room, go wait for her. She don't go her room, come back off flight, walk straight to this corridor. Now you can see something is fishing because the reflection come. So now you will talk, leave the rest. Because this way they go meet you, they cry. It's a good time if you say I want to talk to you, the way you just come talk to you, can sit down when they talk and you will cry. Because the other day you asked me if you want to, as we don't settle now, whether if you tap my wife, tell her sorry. Wait, not be so you tell me you did there. I say no. You say now whether if you go tap my wife, now so you talk. Yeah. Whether if you, even in my presence, whether if you go tap my wife, tell her sorry. If you not tap her, you know if you tell her sorry. Yeah. So now when we go cry for you for room, I'll come there to say, not tap and tell her not cry again. We are not babies. Now your own you go pray. This thing happened to me for Monica house. Now exactly waiting prayer. Not be me they look for Monica. She was the one looking for me. Abi? Not share the story. So you talk your own. Till today I say I go swear. I not sleep with Monica. Now they come meet me. But I touch her one day, but I not do. And so till last 2 weeks we still they talk on after something that happened 10 years ago or 14 years. So if now you know say you think say you get sense, you both don't take your sense. If to say you come down to yourself with whatever, then your wife will come tell you say camera dey house. Wetin you will tell her? Wetin concern you with camera? You afraid? Why are you afraid? For example, now me come be you now. Camera, you husband put camera. Is there anything wrong? If you ask me, you know say you go, no consent. My wife now don't like camera. And you are talking to an idiot, and I'm not an idiot. For example, as you try to be yourself, because I know condition is making you to not be yourself because she's the one giving you paper. You must be yourself until she give you passport. You cannot do anything stupid until she give you passport. That is why you are trying to act like you are a fool, so that you are not a black man. Then we not believe you. She is the only one that will believe you. But after you give you passport, you will see. Are you people going to marry? No, it's just a passport. It's a game. But it's not a problem. You will remember me. I'm not talking as a prophet. So you come down to your sense as a black man. Don't act like you are stupid so that she too that don't know anything will think you are stupid. What are we talking about? So now, if you as an African man, let's remove this Oyibo in your life and give you African woman, for example. Then as an African man come to you say, somebody come and meet you say, another man, his wife now come and meet you say, there's camera here, please. You say, why? Is there anything wrong? Are we doing anything wrong? Your husband can do anything. I don't care. Did I do anything wrong? That is what you will say. You can't hide. You can't do this. You can't sweep ground. My wife go knock here. What do you think make you and my wife be past darkness? Or why with you and my wife be passing darkness? Then you hide. You form like you are sweeping. You do like this. You are talking like a white man as if we are stupid. So whom are you saying that to? She's also happy because she have you. She have you maybe for any reason. She's happy. She's siding you. My husband can't do that. You say, what I'm after now, where you sleep till the 30th. Your husband is doing something wrong. It's not forbidden thing. It's a good thing. You don't have, if you like, you trust him that he can't do that. I don't care. But he know what he's doing. And it's very wrong because if you come to me and say, please, my husband put camera somewhere, come and help me to off it. I will ask you why. Why should I off it? Am I doing anything with you? I will not be afraid. I will say, why should I off it? Leave it. Maybe you know why you put it there. Maybe he don't trust you, but I don't do anything with you. That's what you should say. Yeah. You should even say, Chama put camera. Chama, I don't hear nothing. I beg. I greet you. I don't want to off it. You went and delete it. And this Oyibo is siding you. But your wife is siding you that he trusts you. Because she says she's a security, but I don't see anything security in your head. That deleting it. Yeah, my husband doesn't like consent. I'm a security. I need consent. That he's sleeping with my wife. That he went and off my camera. He killed my evidence. They are in darkness when I have lights. He hold my wife and be telling my wife never to beg again. Don't need that. Don't beg for now. Stop everything.
No. I fuck up. No.
Then you are telling me it's normal.
I fuck up.
Yeah. So I must see his penis inside my wife's pussy before you know it's not normal.
No.
Because you need a black man and the another person's family should go down.
No.
Telling he say, I was up. He say, no problem, I trust you. But where are we gonna stay for 3 days? That's the problem. My wife is not at home because of your husband. You are telling me, I trust you. Let's bet. You know the meaning of this? If from today, after passport, if your marriage stay with him for another year, don't call me prophet, don't call me human being. If he get passport today, after 3 years, if you get passport, let's say 2026 or 27, if you people are still in 29, look for my contact anyway. Say, hey, you this stupid man, you lying to me. Say it. Just call me and say, yeah, you this stupid man. He know what he's doing and he's talking to you and you are not even saying, Prince, Prince, sorry, I don't really understand. You are even siding him like a lawyer. Yeah, I trust you. You can't do that. You don't even ask him why the darkness. You don't even ask him if the wife called you, why will you delete it? You never said anything. You say, why will he delete my own video from my phone? Put his hand inside, go to my Facebook, delete something. You never ask. You are saying, I trust you.
Understand me? I say yes, and I accept.
Say, I trust you. If my wife they find you, many women can do it. You have already said she's looking for you, but you try to avoid that. You have cleared yourself.
No.
You say you can swear, but just that if you give this man, come me to whatever say they always cry. Simple as ABC, but the one I do today. Now come from downstairs. I don't know where they for go downstairs. That time my wife never see video. They can't stay there. My wife want to enter her room. Maybe they satisfy herself. He can't hold my wife like this face to face. Can't tell her say. Can't warn her like boyfriend say. That never you need that beg me again. She just stop that. She not beg me. She don't need that. My wife don't say yes like boyfriend. Yes he say. Then my wife now enter. He now enter. Then my wife now like who go and drop something and go to his room. And while my wife is going to the room, light was on. You can't off the light. Why did you off light and follow darkness? You never reach up. It's corridor like here to here. So if you want to go to toilet, bedroom, or to his room, you need the light.
Yes, to see.
But why did you off light and go and I did not hear anything for about 10 minutes or so? So when my wife is like coming out, it's like saw reflection.
Light.
He now went and all light. He not confused. My wife was confused. My wife confused. You know what my wife did? My wife went to her room, go and bring butter. She went and go and bring carton. She not let her look where see light again. You know she's very smart. She put butter inside. He opened the small cupboard. He put her. My wife confused. He go. He come back. He come off light for there again. He come go to a room. I come here say he measure light. I don't hear light for my wife. It's like I'm seeing light somewhere there. Then Uche now talk and I did not hear Uche. So my wife now confused and go back. She was confused. She be like, come break out like say want write something. I was watching. She's confused. Then after Uche now came, just go downstairs. Go downstairs, now want to bring this thing and return. See that thing and return just now. You come before I return.
Yes.
Now start to sweep. This week we want to use this time to look up. So if nothing is wrong, somebody say come and off camera of my husband at home. After off camera, if na never do, no be to do.
Yeah.
They don't know say they watch live. And after they off, they for still continue what they are doing. But they don't know I just dey live. They think I'm recording. But I put it in my work. I was not working, I was watching. Watching. If person is coming, I will start to work again. I was watching. So if my wife say off camera, and you actually went and off it, will you people will have start crying? Is it not to continue whatever you people were saying or doing? You are talking to me. I'm happy with you.
No.
If you swear Ogun for person, not be another driver Ogun they use take kill who they swear for. If you say make them disgrace person, not be somebody the breast he cause will use take disgrace person.
Yes.
If I have been wanting my wife out of marriage since, God can't use you. I will vex with you, but not be that deep vex. But I always say your marriage must start also. I'm happy with you. I want to get my wife out for 6 years. Can she come back here now? Can she come back here? Can she go to my house in Nigeria? I not thank God. When you call me, not be happy, happy. When I call you, I was happy. If not before now, I will get ready. Since morning I'll be talking, I'm not ready. Because I'm talking with joy. I'm talking with joy. Me, I cannot shout for 5 minutes. I will get head like one for that. I am talking with joy. Body have left me. What are you talking about? I'm happy.
Bro,
I'm happy, but because you are trying to tell me everything is right, you go on. My wife, married woman, title holder. I have 3 titles. My wife have one with me. She's a title holder. I pay dowry. They say they forbid something. I still carry and go my shrine, initiate into I am for. I just don't care. I don't care if I'm a Yoruba man. I'm not a Yoruba man. I'm raised in Isha, so I forbid things. Don't care if Yoruba don't forbid. I initiated that. Swear like this, swear like this. That day she naked. They on top. Even the hair went there. I say yeah. I barber and put for the place. They say if you go do this, you go do this. You don't they care. She told me something. Say this swear no mean no. Say if she's not a promiscuous person, that is when she can keep herself because she's not a promiscuous person. Is that encouraging? This way he just tell me say she can keep herself because she's not a promiscuous person. Say promiscuous even if swear will do something. That was what she told me. She forbid things. I forbid things. Wetin I tell you that I say I don't have issue, but I have a forbidden thing that is affecting me. I try to push her. Not just say fuck. Everything I forbid she has done it. And she's still doing it. And you call me recruit man for inside my life. Just they watch me. Oh. Now 7 people they work for me since I'm almost a year and I don't see extra work put. Even I even dropped extra work. Just wait now. Just wait. I will not tell you a month or 2. Just wait and see what will happen. It will be like say they fair use something cover my name. It will be like say they can't remove her. Even when I leave her for Nigeria, rush come abroad. It will be like say I left devil behind. Even if I quarrel with her and just stay my home, a different room, I want her not to come. If I try for a week, you be like say my road. When they close. Even if I not sleep with my wife, say with the quarrel, I not sleep with her. I can stay like 3 months or so. It will be like say everywhere boss. And I will say I'm not happy. Just that this guy they tell me one nonsense conkabu story as if not be me. Say one nonsense. Everything you do to the end. I know. Even as is, what I tell you, I say I feel something. Listen, I'm a prophet. Forget the fact that I calm myself down. Yesterday, my spirit tell me install this thing. Even I order camera hasn't come. I order camera, secret camera. But my spirit tell me install your phone. Don't make it tomorrow. You are going to see something. When people want to talk to me, I know if you not hold me, I will not install camera. I left you people. I go up. Yeah. The sellotape I was looking for, I wanted to use it. I later use another thing to melt it. I say my spirit tell me you see something. I see something, I not see something. As a traditional man, you're supposed to be. The waiting I see, is it a taboo or not a taboo? If my wife wakes up, a married woman, to call another man to start discussing, what are you discussing? Shebi we analyze her head, my wife dey here. He don't have not done. You know say you say if he na promise cause say make I forget you say he go do anything, but he not be promise cause. We just talked about it a few days ago. She did it this morning. Is that not promise cause she said she's not? That's promise cause. Person tell you say, come help me off your. You not do anything.
You not suppose even touch.
You not do anything. You say you did forbid. You and your wife that want to do TikTok, that we want to do comedy. You are not telling me I forbid camera. I was telling you all of us I will write something, we will do comedy. Did you tell me you forbid camera? It's me that have not brought something. I say your wife will wear police uniform, maybe you too wear police uniform. We start to act. You never told me you forbid camera. Because you catch mugu, they tell you say, my husband forbid camera. I don't want to marry white. We are a slave in their hand until we get paper, we run away. We are all slave in their hand. You are also slave. You know that. You just try to act. After we get passport, we find way. But me, I don't need. I got passport by myself. I did not use white person. So if you want to talk to me like a brother, you're supposed to call me and talk to me. Not that you are telling me, you know I don't do that. I say, yeah, I know you don't do that. You know I can't do that. Yes, I know you don't do that.
But I wanted to talk
to you. Who are you? Your wife is even. You are using your wife to bear witness. Yeah, you know you don't do that. I don't do this. I know you don't do that.
No,
if I tell you I saw something, it's telling me you consent, this and that. What the heck? I don't put black people in my house, and I don't know you are happy. It's help. The bed I went and bought bed. I carried by myself. Even this guy, you haven't paid him. I use it to carry bed, go up every day. I told you we need to pay. Even me, I carry it. I said just pay me my transport, my fuel. I did everything for you. I look for bed for many days. I look for work for you. I went and look for work. I get work for you. I wait for you until you tell me you cannot work. It's your wife. I did everything I've never done for my family for you. Then you, because my wife, you and I are doing something, you were here that insulting me. My wife did not tell you stop. I was telling you, I said, for this guy to talk to me anyhow, and I do like this. My wife not tell her, say, Uche, it's my house, my friend. I said, it's my house, my friend. I said, no, something is wrong. Uche was just warning me. You want to spoil my marriage. You know this marriage is arrangement. It's a contract marriage. And you make my wife bet now. My wife will go home. My wife is calling the mother. And I will go.
Chairman.
You said to... No, wait now. You spoil my home. He said to me that you took his name to prophet. Before coming, your mother took you to prophet. And he's checking if everything will work here. I don't know. Then he now, because he know his fake marriage from his heart, he was calling me, say he's afraid. I hope the prophet doesn't see that I'm not going to marry my wife in the future. Then when he come, he say, oh, thank God, the prophet did not see it. That his prophet say it's good that after some time you people will, maybe difficulties, that everything will be good. So it's not in a good marriage with you, but it's spoiling my own.
No,
it's contract marriage. Chairman. If he gets his passport, he's going.
Chairman, please.
Did I know? Am I lying? Tell me I'm lying. Your mother didn't take you somewhere?
Chairman.
I'm lying? In Bulgaria? Your mother didn't take you to a prophet to see her. He says, I know everything.
Mama.
Because it's fake marriage with you.
Mama.
And now he has spoiled my home because he's in fake marriage with you. He was praying that the prophet doesn't see anything.
Did you tell him?
Did I know? Was I there?
It was.
He was calling me to pray for him so that prophet don't see anything so that you won't leave him. I prayed for him.
Chairman, this thing you are doing is
my home you are doing. I will tell her the truth because it's a fake marriage.
Which truth again?
Did I know? Am I there?
What do you mean by fake marriage?
Am I there? I prayed for him for prophet not to see that he's fake marriage. And he was happy that prophet didn't see anything. That your mother is the one controlling you. If you see anything, you won't come to the Netherlands.
Did we discuss something like this?
I don't know. I wasn't there. I don't know. I don't know if he's lying. I don't know if your mother took his home.
Yeah, it was when. Yeah. I told him. Yeah, just like normal conversation, I told him that yes, and my wife went to prophet while we were arranging ourselves to come.
He was crying. He was at work that day. Was crying, telling me to pray for him. That prophet don't have to see his mind for you.
No.
And I was there praying.
No.
I was praying for him, but he has spoiled my home.
Chairman,
and I was praying for prophet not to see his heart because his passport has. If you give him passport, he's gone. Yes, if you give him passport, he's gone. I know.
No.
Yesterday, you said I should see vision for you. Did I see it? Did I do it? Did I read your hand? I said to him, if I read your hand, there's going to be trouble.
When did you tell me this, Chairman?
Did you hear that when I said there's going to be trouble? Maybe you don't get the memory. I say, if I read vision, there's going to be trouble. You say, what trouble? You say to me, what trouble? Because I know I don't lie. If I want to talk, if I want to read your hand, I'm going to say something, then I don't want to read it so that your marriage will not spoil. Because I must say something I see. I don't want to say it. No. You say, come and see. Did I see it? I say, I avoid you. Because if I say what is going to happen between your marriage, it will not work. Like your son, I already tell you that one. Your son, he has energy to do with leg. I don't know if it's football. I don't know if it's running. So if you do that for him, it's going to be a grace that not only in Bulgaria, but in the Europe. You get that? Mm-hmm. But what he needs to do, what the sport is going to do, has to do with leg. You know, leg can play football. Maybe it's football. Maybe running. But you check from the two. But I am saying football. You get what I mean?
Yes.
So you put in a football line. In 10, 15 years, you're going to remember what I said to you. It's a star. Your son is a star. You know what is a star?
Yes, I know.
So that is it. I don't spoil people home, but I keep secret because I am a prophet. I don't talk secret. But since he could not keep my home, I must tell you, it doesn't matter if he gives you money. Maybe you need money. It doesn't matter if you use your account to get money. It's none of my business. But all I know is fake marriage. But I'm going to give you 4 or 5 years from now. You will look for me and tell me, yes, it's fake marriage. I'm not the one that make it fake. I'm only telling you what I know.
So what about now, if maybe you have 4 years, this thing that you said will come to pass?
Even if you force yourself to be there because I said it, you force yourself to be in that marriage. I cannot, I can swear that it will not reach this year. But even when you want to force yourself to prove to her that I'm lying, it will not enter 6 years. Your marriage will not see light because I help you for your marriage. You want to destroy my marriage.
All those things because I just came to help. Bro. I know that.
But you know, say this thing when you do.
It surprised me.
If my wife, to say my wife, I don't want to push her out. Before not sit down here, they talk.
Yes, no.
I will mark you, police will come. I will mark you. You know why I don't mark you? I'm a citizen of this country. I can mark you and we'll go prison for some time. But I'll make sure say the mark deep. But I won't do that because I'm also happy you have come to relieve me. But they're not boy you will say because I don't want to mark you. Maybe they talk when they talk. You are my worst enemy as far as I'm concerned. But I'm talking, you are talking because I don't want to mark you.
I know. That is why I decided.
You know what happened.
I don't beg.
Bro.
My wife not there house. Even though I want to leave her, I know I want to leave her. You know, even my children, my precious children, not there. And your trouble carry them come out. But you see, they say, well, and because me, I try to control my temper. You understand? And they try to control. Not they say, I don't know what to do you. And they try to control it. You know, say now fake. You sure they use your wife. Do you spoil person who? I'm fake now. I have many to tell your wife, and I have evidence. When I video there and I put little bed for one person, and you went and told your mom, he said, he begs me that you know it's arranging. You know what's called arranging? Arrangement fake. Say you know it's fake. If he's not comfortable here, he won't come. He won't come, and if he don't come, you know what I mean.
Mama.
Then I went and looked for bed. I don't know you. I went and looked for bed. I did not look for bed because he told me the problem is that you have told your mom you're not comfortable with the bed. I have to go and look for bed because if you don't come, he don't get what he wants. It's what we call arranging.
Mama.
He makes me to understand. You know, it's arrangement. Mama. Arrangement means when he got his passport, Mama, he is gone.
When I showed you the picture of the bed.
No, this thing will not separate you people, but
what was the response?
They should know you are fake.
They
should know you are fake. You want to destroy my house.
Single bed.
Don't squeeze when you
everybody like how we want to buy a man now. I don't blame her, but you are fake. I know.
The issue is there that we say, bro, the mistake what you don't make.
I must say,
you're not supposed to be telling a married woman not to beg her husband. It's wrong. Two. It's not the camera. It's not your home. Yeah. You break it. Leave the camera. Since you know you are not doing anything with her, And what you're actually saying is, what is the reason why you went there and took the phone?
Yeah,
It's
and
wrong.
delete it.
And delete it. See, no matter
They
what
came
it-
from upstairs and discussed.
No matter what he
so
did to
go
you,
fuck
he's
now,
right.
after fuck,
Yeah.
like,
It's
delete
wrong.
camera.
See,
I said,
when I
I'm
hear
sorry
the
for that.
when I hear about it, you took the phone. You're not supposed, since you saw the camera, it's your husband's house. You can put camera anywhere.
Are
No
you
problem.
afraid
leave.
you do something
You
wrong?
will leave. What? You're not supposed to do that, honestly.
I know. I don't.
Taking the phone.
Is okay.
They didn't know. Wait now.
No one kill me.
No.
If you want die, you die. Now my family dey house. Which one be one okay? Do I know you elsewhere?
No.
Do I know you?
See, no, wait, no.
You tell police I'm your brother. You are not my brother. You destroyed my home. You slept with my wife.
Because you're not a guy man like me. Why you going to do that kind of thing?
You don't understand. I say, if now waiting.
Telling your wife, I don't know what you did to her. Maybe you are helping her with money. That is none of my business. But still lying to her, and she still believing you when you are lying. Telling me bullshit. Telling me bullshit. Say what kind of?
What is the way forward? Because me, I don't.
What is the way forward? Me and you can't sleep this house today. That is just the truth. There is nothing will make us sleep here.
I don't ask you for apology. I'm sorry.
I
for
don't
that.
take apology. You
Please.
have done your worst. I'm not
Please.
fighting you. I don't need apology. Will apology bring my family back? My children, I managed my wife for good 6 years. Now children came. I couldn't even hold my children. I've not even have time to hold them. Because daytime I work, in the night I want to sleep on time. This is the time they are laughing. They just started laughing. They were not laughing, they were crying. But now they can. Then you destroy my home.
How do I destroy the home?
How do you destroy my home?
How? Because I'm trying to.
Let me
explain
tell you
the
the
nice
statement
person.
you even made to your wife and the one you made to me. After I confronted you on phone, you now call me back and say, my wife is not inside though, and he left the children behind though. Is that not what you said? You told me my wife is not inside, it's only the children that are inside. My wife ran out.
No.
That's what you told me. You are pleasing your wife now.
No.
Then I now ask you, so are the children, are they your children? Leave them there.
No.
I am coming.
No. I said
But when he said the wife, he was outside, the wife just carried 2 children.
I said the wife ran away with the children.
With the 2 children. Why did I not tell you that if you are the owner of the children?
Sir, please.
No, Ogun will kill you.
But all
No,
those
Ogun will kill you,
lies.
never worry.
Okay, see what he's saying now. You can. But all those lies is not okay now.
I'm lying now.
I'm trying to beg it. But
No,
all
I'm
those
lying.
things now.
I'm lying.
Not that you are lying, but
No
no, I
problem.
mean that I said that she left with
No
the
wahala.
kids.
I'm lying, no problem.
No now.
No worry.
I'm trying to, please, I'm begging. I know say me I fuck up based on what happened today, but all those things that we are putting is not what is.
Everything I'm saying, I'm lying. No wahala.
I want to problem.
You should be happy that you have done a great job. Not to say, I will come the company. I never do anything like this for you to do now. Maybe we still test the strength of their passport. I know how many months in prison, but I'm just happy say you helped me, my brother. Not be say.
Chia, I beg. I'm still begging you. Please, I'm sorry for what happened. Please.
I'm giving my wife
Please.
real love. You are giving this woman fake love. My wife is making trouble with me from Nigeria. I said I don't need her. I love her, but I don't need trouble. We have to separate. But you are giving this woman fake love from the beginning to here. So
why all those things? Why are you just?
you are giving her fake love, and I have evidence for it.
if
Not
I-
as a prophet. I have evidence. She, even though you say I'm lying, she must know what I'm saying about what you told me. Maybe you also lied to me. Good. Even my wife is aware that it's fake love. He begged us. You know why I always beg you when you are angry or I'm angry? He will beg us that he don't want you to run. You should know it's arranged that. He said I think her paper is 2 years now. This is the 3rd year. He just have another 3 years or so. I don't know. According, I don't know. That he have to, like, whatever you are doing to him, he have to act until he gets his passport.
Yes, something happened today, but all those things is just.
Until he gets his passport. He is showing you fake love. My wife that I'm showing real love, I pay my wife dowry, I did a lot. Then he destroyed my home, and he is a fake guy. He want to keep his home.
This is not, sir. Yes, it's 2 years I fuck up today, but all those ones you have.
I will show you my